Bloodlust, 3 looks, 3 days. Playing with the purple from Jeffree Star. Hello beautiful people. Thanks for tuning in to Fabulous Life 101. My name is Anne. Over 3 days, I am showing 3 looks using the Bloodlust palette from Jeffree Star. Hey, if you're not already a subscriber, please hit that subscribe button and the bell notifications right now. Okay, let's get on with it. Good morning, beautiful people. For the next couple of days, I'm going to be revisiting the Bloodlust palette by Jeffree Star. This was actually the first palette of Jeffree's that I ordered myself, and I got a lot of really good looks from this palette. More recently, I ordered the Blood Money palette. My daughter has Blue Blood, and just now over the holidays when everything on sale, I finally decided to order Blood Sugar. So I decided first I'm going to revisit this one and then do a couple of looks from each of the Blood palettes. Today I'm going with the more nude look. I'm going to first do a basic and then build on to make it more glam. So I'm going to start just by lining my eyelids with Your Majesty. This color, Your Majesty, is just a very nice soft nude color with a slight grayish hint. I'm going to go in on the crease with one of my favorite colors, this one called Royal Pain. It's a beautiful sort of peachy mauve color. I'm gently tapping along the crease. Now for a liner, I'm going to use this color Dungeon, which is a sort of an eggplant color. And gently tapping along my lash line. Along the lower lash line. If I wanted to stop at this, I have a really nice day look. But I think I'm going to go a little bit further. And I'm going to add some of this gold called Sworn Enemy. And I just want to give it a little bit of metallic shine. I'm using a smaller packing brush on this. I think what I'm going to do this time, just to really get the shine in, is I'm going to put the gold on my finger and gently press. And then I'm going to take a smaller brush and just do a little more detailing in the corner, the outer corner. And I'm going to add Beauty Sleep in the crease, or sort of right above the crease, just a little line of it. A little line of shimmer. So that's my soft shimmer look using Bloodlust. Now let me go and put on my mascara and I'll be right back. This is my soft pink shimmer look using Bloodlust. Tomorrow I'm going in with the purples. Let me know what you think. Leave a comment down below. Today is day 2 of my Bloodlust 3 looks 3 days. And I'm going for a bolder purple look today. Look at, these are all of the colors in this fabulous palette. Don't you just love the packaging? It's rich velvet with a gold emboss. But I'm going to start off today with the color Deviant. This is just a beautiful lavender. And now I'm going to line with Blood Queen, bold purple. I just use a gentle tapping motion right along the lash line. And I'm going to take this brush and just take the same color and go in on the corners. I've got a packing brush and I'm going to go in along the crease with this color. Let's see, I think I'm going to use this sort of more of a deeper blue purple and blend it in. And I'm just sort of tapping along the crease gently. And I'm going to take my blending brush again and put on some of this beautiful shiny, take the crown and just go over with that. Add the shimmer. And I think I'm going to just take this Vivid Mood and use this to go like slightly over the crease. Just to sort of add another layer of depth. Just continue to blend a little bit. Okay, now onto mascara and I'll be right back. Mascara's done, ready for my day. This is day 2 of Bloodlust. 3 looks, 3 days. Good morning, beautiful people. It's day 3 of Bloodlust. 3 days, 3 looks. Today I'm going to concentrate on the sort of pinkish purplish looks that are available with this palette. This has some of the best looks in those shades of any palette I own. Okay, for my base today, I am going in with Take the Crown, which is actually sort of a light purple. And it's actually a shimmer, but I decided I'm going to be shiny today. Okay, and for my liner, I am going in with High King right here. And I'm also going to line the crease with this color. Let's do the other eye. Now I'm going to take a blending brush and go in with the same color and just sort of blend it together around the ends here. Just kind of blend that in. And then the small packing brush, take a little bit of Vivid Mood and just sort of go in right under the crease. And blend down a little bit. By layering this on top of the shiny, it just sort of gives it an overall sort of liquid eye look. My final touch today is going to be adding some sparkle, and I'm using this Pink Magic, the really nice glittery shade here for a lot of sparkle. And it matches my shirt. The shirt is actually a color, it's a Tahari cashmere, and it's called Mulberry. So I think this pink kind of picks up that mulberry. Pink Magic. Lightly sort of touching over the eyelid. Just a bit of sparkle. Now I'm going to do my lashes and I'll be right back. Okay, my mascara's done. That's my sparkly pink look for today. Do you have a favorite palette you'd like for me to review? If so, please leave a comment down below. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching. Have a fabulous day. Peace, love, and light.